In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add seasonality in TradingView Pro. Seasonality is a powerful way to see how an asset typically behaves during certain times of the year. It helps you spot recurring patterns, like whether a stock tends to be stronger in certain months or weaker in others. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find seasonality tools inside TradingView Pro and how to get them set up on your chart step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open for the asset you want to analyze. This could be a stock, a forex pair, crypto, or any instrument you're interested in. Once your chart is open and you can clearly see the candles or bars, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It usually sits near the middle or left of the toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in tools and community scripts are stored. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see a search box at the top. This is the fastest way to find what you need, instead of scrolling through long lists. Click once inside that search box so your cursor is active there. Now start typing the word seasonality. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the list and show you any indicators or scripts related to seasonality. You may see several results, including built-in indicators and community scripts created by other traders. Take a moment to hover over each option and read the short description. You're looking for an indicator that clearly focuses on seasonality, such as one that shows average performance by month or recurring patterns over multiple years. Once you find the seasonality tool that matches what you want, click on it. TradingView will immediately apply it to your chart. After it's added, give the chart a second to update. You should now see an extra panel, overlay, or lines that represent seasonal tendencies. If you click on the indicator's name on your chart, you can usually access settings where you can adjust colors, timeframes, or the number of years used in the calculation. This helps you fine-tune the look and feel so it's easier to read alongside your price action. Finally, if you're not yet on TradingView Pro or you're using a free plan and want more data, more indicators per chart, and better performance, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link supports the channel and gives you access to the pro features you need to make seasonality analysis smoother and more effective.